as you can see, this is what I'm doing tonight. It's unpleasantly cold out here, but I picked up a nail and I've gotten into the bad habit of just adding air to it, and you know, sure as heck I'll forget and ruin a carcass or something. Oh man, everything's fighting the cold. I had to do it 4 times, rotating the tire 1 lug nut each time on the machine to break it from the bottom, and it won't even touch it from the top. I don't know if I got water in the line somewhere, but just, you can hear the air compressor laboring. Everything is struggling. Oh, don't you ever flatten tires on nice spring days? Maybe you do, you just don't remember it because it's not a big deal. You only remember it when it's like this. It could be worse. It's probably only 10 degrees in here. Could be a lot colder than that, I guess. Because I can't get it to pop from the top, I gotta flip the tire over. And neither the machine nor the rim are designed to do this. So I gotta put padding to protect the rim from getting all marked up, and jam the jaws of the machine to force them up high enough. It's a mess. We'll get it. I missed a spot. I got the damn rim. It's not too bad though. Did get her loose. Now I just need to dismount it, spread it, patch it, remount it, put it back on the truck. Hoorah. Ooh, I better remember to mark tire to rim so that I get the balance the same. I don't want to have to balance them too. Largely offending, a little nasty right there. Looks like a rusty 12-penny nail. Certainly a big spike of some sort. And if I'm correct, it's got a double hole. And I don't know how that happened. But it's nice. At least the tire's relatively flat inside. I won't be grinding away forever. Ooh, life flight just flew over, so good luck to whoever's on the helicopter tonight. That, I was wrong, is clearly a screw. It's either a screw or a ring shank nail. Well, who cares? Anyways, that's the bad boy. She left a good clean hole. It's just a matter of buffing, sticking, and mounting. That's what she said anyways. Looks good. I just use a sidewinder to buff it, and I know that professional shops use professional tools, but boy, I've done a lot of tires. Used to race cars, so I broke down a lot of tires. So it'll be fine. Now I just need to slather her up and slap on a patch. Oh, and remember to clean all the crap out of your tire. Otherwise it rolls around in there and turns into these little rubbery balls. So now she's scooped. I'm going to speed the drying with a little torch. Just because it's so cold out here. I just use these Napa brand. I don't know who makes it for them. Radial tire patches. I got my center remarked and slap her on there, and they make a tool to roll it out. I'll use the butt of a screwdriver because I don't own the tool. There she be. Onward and upward. It's just a matter of putting it back together now. And clean the crap out. Lots of crap in there. That was a new one on me. When she snapped onto the bead, she blew both the weights off and across the room. So, fun. Everything's just so cold. All done. Ready to go back on the truck. Good Lord. Look at these rotors. Holy crap. They are just burned up completely. wonder if I got a bad proportioning valve. I tow a lot, and I tow some very heavy double trailer stuff, but jeez. Great. I mean, the pitting in there is phenomenal. I don't know if these can even be salvaged, if they could even be turned. They aren't hit anywhere. It's just, wow. Yay, one more thing I have to buy. All done.